Hey there, everyone. This is Patience Holt with notesfrompatience.com, and it is July the 23rd, 2024. It's Tuesday night, and it is free shipping. Free shipping day for Stampin' Up, and I love it when they do that for us. It's an extra 11% off if you are a demonstrator and have a discount, and if you're not, you get free shipping. It's awesome. I am coming to you from Maumelle, Arkansas, and that's just north of the river from our capital city of Little Rock. And I have been a demonstrator for Stampin' Up for almost 10 years. It will be 10 years this next January, February. Like I said, I want to show you something. This is a kit, and it's a travel journal kit. So if you are a Stampin' Up rep, or if you are a scrapbook person, you're going to love this kit. Let me get my camera fixed up here so you can see the scope of it, what I'm doing here. And I'm going to try to find this on my Facebook right quick so I can see what I'm doing. Here we go. Okay. So let me open this up. Like I said, this is a travel journal. Is called the Scenic Route Travel Journal Kit, and I know it costs $22 plus shipping and handling. Today is free shipping, so you just have tax. I say shipping and handling. It's tax and shipping, not handling. Okay, I don't know about you, but I have kept my boxes and turned them inside out and made those gift boxes. Toss that over there. Now when you get your kit, it will come all packaged in cellophane wrap. I've undone this one. You get your tear and tape, which there is plenty of tear and tape to do this album, and you have some left over. You get a color brochure that shows you everything that's in it, gives you some ideas of how to put it together. Shows you everything in it. It has QR codes for the beginner and for if you're not so much of a beginner. And then it shows you a little bit about the pockets, how to put the pockets together, and I'll show you that in just a moment. And here is the page sliding. It's not a technique, but how you put this together, and I will show you that in just a moment. Here are some pages that they did for someone for the photos for Paris pictures. And there's plenty of room to journal. There's plenty of ephemera to add to it. So let me put that aside. Here is the cardboard that comes with that. You can use that for other things. Put this aside. Okay. You have tags. You have journal paper, just background paper that you can adhere these to pages. You have different colors. And here's some more tags. They've just got a lot of different things. I just want you to know, this is my second journal. I'm going to show you my first one. Now, this is a pocket for extra things that maybe you forgot to put in there and there's not a space. So it's perforated here along the score lines. And you put the tear and tape, and then you're going to put that on a page. And when you adhere it down with the tear and tape, you have a pocket right there. And I will show you that in my journal that I put together. When I saw this, I thought, oh, I'm getting back into scrapbooking. And we have a lot of new products coming out. And I just wanted this because it's quick and easy. I just knew I was going to put my Alaska cruise trip in this journal. Here's suitcases. Now, these are stickers. And these are so cool. I have one of these in my journal that I've already done. There's a lot of different stickers. Plain, a globe, a compass. Okay, and then it comes in 2 or 3 different languages. Some of these stickers are not in English. I'm not sure if this is German or what this is. But this is English. And then we have numbers and letters, and these circles have letters on them. And then we have just sticker packs that you can put in the background. Here's another language. Maybe that's French. And I'm not sure what this one is. Okay, and then we have small tags and arrows and just a lot of stickers that you can embellish your journal pages with. So let me put those to the side. Now, here are the cardstock pages that come in there. You will get 2 of this wild wheat color that have pockets on them already. And then you will get 2 of this Lost Lagoon Balmy Blue. I'm not really sure what color this is. That fold open. So you have a page, it opens. And so you get 2 of those. And when you go to put this in the journal, you can put, say, the blue. Let me open this one up. Here we go. The blue outside and this inside. Or you can do it the other way around, with this color on the outside and this color on the inside. And I will show you how that works. Now here is your journal. This is a hardback. And this comes in there. Oh, yes, this is really cool. If your first name or last name starts with an E, you, I'm sure, can figure out something to do with this. Make it crafty, you know, a letter for the wall or something. So I'll put that over the side. So if you're a friend of mine and you want that E, just let me know. Okay, this is the journal. This was stuck up in there. This is how you're going to keep your journal closed, like that. It's a pretty hefty band. It's a covered rubber band, and it's very strong, very durable. And then on the inside, this is the closure to keep that band in here. Then you have 2 more bands. And let me show you how to insert these pages. I'm going to just leave this together, and I'm going to insert this right here. Okay? So there you have it. And I'm going to put this one in the front band. Oops. It's very durable. There we go. Very strong. Okay. And so there you go. But you're thinking, well, I want more pages than that. Well, I have an answer for you, because I knew when I opened this pack, this wasn't going to be enough pages for me. So, did you know that this is 8.5 by 11? And our cardstock, you score that in the middle at 5.5, and you have a perfect page. You just stick it right in there. If you want more bands, other than just the 2 bands, you could add ribbon around there, or even in here, and make another band to stick more paper in. So let me show you what I'm talking about. This is my journal that I made for my Alaskan cruise. We went on a Stampin' cruise to Alaska at the 1st of June. And this is my journal. This is the extra binding that I made. I just twisted it up and fastened it to the band that was in there, tied it up in a pretty bow, some knots, so it's very strong. And then this is the back. I decorated with stickers. This is the front. Now, these are, anytime we went to a different port, I picked up Alaska stickers, because I already knew that I was putting this in this journal. So when you are on a trip and you want to scrapbook your trip when you get back, while you're there, make sure you get some stickers. And every port, I got stickers. This was White Pass at Skagway. This is Ketchikan. I don't remember exactly where I got that, but this was the actual magnet that was on our door and our cruise. So I love that. These hearts are the stickers that were in that sticker pack. And so now I'm going to open it. See how thick this is? I have added pages. I'll show you. So here is my first page when you open it up. And here's the letters and the numbers and those cool suitcases. This is Alaska. And this was actually in a page of a magazine that I ripped out and brought home. And I punched it out and made it a sticker. Here's one of those folders. And this is me and Cindy at the airport. So the first picture right there. And here is that little sign. And I put our different, our places that we went. Our stops. So here is the blue folder or page. And here is that wild wheat. But here is some blue. Now this is an extra page because I'm putting this in order by our cruise dates. And you know, we flew into Seattle, we saw the Space Needle from our hotel, we walked to McDonald's and got breakfast, and then we took our picture with the Space Needle. This is actually from the plane. This was our door. I made a sign, and you can see the little magnet back there. So we had fun. We had a lot of fun. And then when we had crafting time on the boat, I took pictures of everybody that was in the craft room that I knew. Not everyone. We had way more than this. But this is Sandy and Kay, and they're the ones that put on this cruise. And so I just mishmashed the pictures, no order. I just did it. And I have a lot of space in here to journal because I'm not finished journaling. Let me put that back in there. And the next page, we were at sea all day or on the boat all day in Glacier Bay. Got some information. I have our excursion tickets in here. I added, if you are a close to my heart person, which I was a customer of Close to My Heart, and they have things called flip-flaps. And I made this like a flip-flap. I really like it. Just added a little extra. And then this was the page that folded out. So there you go. I still have more room for journaling. I have stickers everywhere. I put this on here. This was a sticker. Now, that was on the first rubber band. Well, I did some extra ribbon, you know, to match the colors I liked, and I love this ribbon. Well, I also have this in here. If I wanted to add more pages, I could just slip them under this, so I can add more pages. So on this next section, I added 8.5 by 11 white paper because we went on that fabulous train ride and in Skagway, and I took the little book that they give you. And when we were leaving, there was another one sitting on one of the seats, so I grabbed 2 books so I could cut those up and scrapbook with them, you know. And so I have an excursion ticket. I have another sticker. I have another flip-flap little idea here. These are 8.5 by 11 white, basic white, that I cut the book up because it has information that they talked about on the train. And then here's one of those cool folders. And then I had a little map of Skagway that I just wanted to put that in there. And then these are some more glaciers from Glacier Bay. And then we got someone that was on the cruise gave us a 12 by 12 scrapbook page that said Alaska on it. Well, when I got home, mine was all bent. And you know how it is when you bend a piece of paper, you can't make it look right. So I took that scrapbook paper and cut the letters Alaska off the bottom. And then this is the page that was left. And I really liked it. And I didn't want to just cover up everything. So I scored it in half, adhered it to this. And so I made more fold out of this particular piece of paper, piece of cardstock. And so it was adding another page element to this book. And then here's some places for me to journal. I just haven't finished journaling. I was too excited to show this to everyone before I got all the journaling done. And then we went into the Empress Hotel and had tea in Canada. And what's this? This is, oh, those are some notes. And there's another folder. And I've got pictures from friends and the tea, the things we had. I don't know if you can see these pictures very well. I like them. And then my last page, here's the chewing gum wall at Pike's Place Market in Seattle. That was kind of gross, but kind of neat. Here's Cindy, and we just saw Mount Rainier. We saw a lot of things. There's a copy of my ticket, but then I found my ticket, so I put it in there. And then, oh, this is one of my favorite pictures. It is a Lego building of the Space Needle. The person is right here. See, they're real small. So that's how big that Lego building was. It was amazing. And this is also another pocket. And, of course, this is the back of my journal. So you can have this much fun. I did have so much fun putting this together. By purchasing this kit for $22 plus tax. Free shipping today. And today is July 23rd, 2024. So shipping until midnight tonight, Central Standard Time. So you get all these cool elements with it. And I have two kits. I've got this one. This one is going to be a little different. It won't have the fall colors in it because I'm going to keep that for something else. Maybe some cards that I make. Or maybe I can turn this into a beachy theme. It's already a great color for the beach. I recently got back from a family vacation that I'm going to put that in. So this is my journal. I love it. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. And contact me if you're interested in that free shipping tonight. And y'all have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much.